pa sa ating mga balita, inatasan ni Pangulong Aquino ang mga ahensya ng gobyerno na tulungan ang mga mamamayang apektado ng kaguluhan sa Zamboanga City. Inihayag ito ng Pangulo kasabay ng babala ng gobyerno na hindi ito mag-aatubiling gumamit ng puwersa sa mga grupong magsasamantala sa sitwasyon sa nasabing lugar. Ang buong ulat mula kay Rocky Ignacio live mula sa Malacanang. Rocky?
Yes, maraming salamat, Cathy. Nagbabala nga Malacanang laban sa iba pang rebeldeng grupo na posibleng samantalahin ang sitwasyon sa Zamboanga. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, wag na silang mag-ilusyon dahil hindi ito pahihintulutan ng gobyerno. Samantala nanawagan na rin ang United Nations Country Team na wakasan na ang Zamboanga standoff. Nagpalabas ang babalang Malacanang sa harap ng standoff sa pagitan ng tropang sundalo at MNLF Miswari Breakaway Group sa Zamboanga City. Ayon sa spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, bagamat sinisikap na maresolba sa mapayapang paraan ng insidente, hindi mangingim ang gobyerno na gamitin ang buong pwersa laban sa mananamantala sa kasalukuyang sitwasyon sa lugar.
The forces of the state are ready to exercise the resolve of the government. While the government is exhausting all avenues for a peaceful resolution to the situation, let it be clear to those defying us that they should not entertain the illusion that the state will hesitate to use its forces to protect our people. Instead, it is time for you to cooperate to resolve this situation peacefully at the soonest possible time. As for others who seek to take advantage of the situation, you will fail.
Nagsalita ang palasyo matapos ang napaulat na engkwentro sa tropang sundalo sa Bangsamoro Islamic Freedom Fighters o BIFF at teroristang grupong Abu Sayyaf sa Basilan.
There has been an encounter in Basilan today when members of the BIFF and ASG, estimated around 150, ostensibly tried to attack Lamitan City. The armed forces stopped them and after a 2-hour firefight are now in hot pursuit. The BIFF and ASG assumed they could take advantage of the situation. They were wrong, as others who will also make similar attempts will be proven wrong.
Bukod pa niya ito sa mga grupong nagtatangkang idiskaril ang isinusulong na prosesong pangkapayapaan sa Mindanao.
There have been a lot of text messages circulating, causing confusion and alarm among our people. Let us set the record straight. Alleged MNLF members wanted to proceed to Zamboanga City bearing arms, supposedly to exercise their right to peaceful assembly. But the right to peaceful assembly cannot be exercised while bearing arms. In fact, when they tried to conduct a peace rally in Sulu, they were prevented from doing so because they were armed. Allegedly, they attempted to do the same in Zamboanga City, where some of their members were arrested by the PNP. Others were caught in a firefight in the waters of Zamboanga City by elements of the Philippine Navy, and those seeking safety inside coastal barangays have had to disperse.
Kasunod nito, inatasan na rin ni Pangulong Aquino ang kinaukulang ahensya ng pamahalaan na ipaabot ang agarang tulong sa mga residente. Pinapurihan naman ng Malacanang si Mayor Isabel Climaco na isinentabi ang usaping politikal para pangalagaan ang kaligtasan ng mga taga-Zamboanga.
To the people of Zamboanga City, your government stands in solidarity with you and is working to ensure your needs are met. The President has directed national government agencies to attend to the needs of the people of Zamboanga City and the Basulta by providing basic supplies through the DOTC and DTI. We have asked the BSP to ensure sufficient supplies of currency. We ask further cooperation from the people of Zamboanga City. We reiterate that there are people registering the situation and who seek to inflame passions for various reasons. Please understand that rumors of abductions of religious leaders and firefights that did not take place, which are spread through anonymous text messages, aim to take advantage of you. Instead, listen to the authorities who will give you the truth all the time.
Samantalang MNLF Miswari Breakaway Group pa rin ang nakikita ng gobyerno sa likod ng Zamboanga standoff. Sinabi ito ni Communications Secretary Ricky Carandang sa kabila ng pagtanggi umano ng kampo ni Miswari na silang nasa likod ng insidente. Nilinaw rin ang kalihim na wala pa sa plano ng Pangulo na magtungo sa Zamboanga.
There's no plan for the President to go there right now. There are operations going on and I can tell you that he's not going there today, contrary to some reports that have come out. And I can tell you right now that there is no plan for him to go.
Samantala, Kati, nanawagan na nga ang United Nations country team na wakasan ang standoff sa Zamboanga. Labas na statement ni Luisa Carvalho, UN resident and humanitarian coordinator. Handa ang United Nations na suportahan ng Pilipinas para sa pagkakaloob ng humanitarian assistance sa mga residenteng apektado ng standoff. At yan po ang ating pag-uulat mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako po si Rocky Ignacio para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Maraming salamat kasamang Rocky Ignacio.